I have installed Linux Mint 22.1 alongside Windows. I had Windows 10 previously installed on my laptop. Then I installed Linux Mint 22.1 Xfce, and after installing it and after rebooting the system, it just my laptop just booted right into Linux Mint without showing the GRUB menu. And yeah, I found out the reason behind it, and in this video I'll show you how you can solve it just changing a little bit. It's pretty easy. So to do that, you need to go into the terminal. Terminal is here. If you don't know it, you just need to open the GRUB custom configuration file, and you could do that using any text editor, but for our purpose and in this video I'll show you how you could do that using the Nano text editor. Nano is a terminal based text editor, very light and pretty it's just simple. So yeah, to do that, right, sudo, then nano, then etc, default, then GRUB. That's it. Press enter, give your system's password, and that's it. You are in the GRUB configuration file. So in here, okay, so earlier, when I had changed it earlier, so it showed a pound sign or the hash sign before this line. But in your system, you will see the file like this without any pound sign before this line, okay? So as you can see, GRUB underscore timeout underscore style, GRUB timeout style equals hidden. So it was hidden by default and it didn't show you and booted right into Linux Mint because it was like this. So what you need to do is you need to make it false. Not false, you need to make the system you need to make this line make the system go unnoticed, or make this line go unnoticed to the system. To do that, you need to put a hexagon, it's octothorpe or pound sign or hash symbol, whatever you say. So just put this sign before this line to make it go unnoticed to the system, because anything that is preceded by this hash sign, any line that the system interprets as comment, like these lines these are of different color, and these lines are, every line starts with this pound sign, and the system treats them as comments and doesn't execute these lines. They will just ignore these lines. So same with this, you need to just put a pound or this hash sign symbol in front of this line, and that's it. You just need to save this file and close it. To save this file, just press Ctrl O, because like here this up arrow and O, up arrow means whatever your system's meta key, I think. So for Linux it's Ctrl, or in Windows it's Ctrl 2, but in for Mac OS systems it's called meta key or something. I'm not sure, I haven't used Mac. So yeah, you need to press Ctrl O because we are in Linux, and file name to write, just press enter. Okay, wrote 49, it's saved. Okay, now you need to exit from the file. To do that, you need to press Ctrl and X. Don't need to press shift, just pressing Ctrl and X will do. So yeah, we're done. Now you need to update the GRUB file. So to do that, write sudo, then update, then GRUB, and press enter. Okay, we are done. So that's it. That's how you solve this problem of GRUB not showing up after installing Linux Mint alongside Windows 10. So after you reboot, you'll see the GRUB menu and you can choose to boot into Linux Mint or Windows, whichever you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.